greeting of the season. With the advent of Christmas festivities approaching, Cidade is ready to begin with the carol singing. Today we have a carol singing going on with our Natal singers who are guided by Miss Nayantara. Post that, to continue the kids festivities, we do have Kidade Fun Fiesta, which we are doing for a decade now. This time the theme is more on the pirates of the Arabian Sea, which we are planning to host on 18th of December. We expect a gathering of 800 to 1000 kids attending the same. The decor is revolved around pirates of the Arabian theme. Followed with, there will be a lot of fun activities for the kids. They can come get themselves face painted like pirates. There will be a fancy dress competition with them. There will be various other fun activities happening, like there will be balloon sculptures, there will be nail art, there will be bouncy castle, exciting game stalls ranging to 15 to 16 games for them. And even with a surprise of Santa Claus entering, there will be a surprise gift for them, return gift, which will be handed over to them at the end of the event. Post that, the festivities continues into the Christmas Eve, and then we have a Christmas Day brunch followed with the New Year Eve.